Welcome back to our channel where self-care meets simplicity. Today, we're diving deep into a holistic beauty routine that will help you become that girl, the one who radiates confidence and grace from head to toe. But here's the truth. Becoming that girl is all about taking care of yourself, both inside and out. And guess what? Natural remedies can be your best friend in this journey. Grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. But before we jump into our natural tips, remember to use skincare products that suit your skin. Find your skin type, research skincare products. See which product work better for you. Follow skincare you are comfortable with and are affordable to you. Don't get influenced by influencers' recommendation. Better go with the products you get results from. So first, do deep research and fetch yourself some time to understand your skin. Now, let's explore some of the best natural remedies for achieving that healthy and radiant skin. Let's start with our crowning glory, our hair. Is your hair feeling dry, frizzy, and lifeless? We've all been there. But don't worry, because nature has the best solutions. For girlies dealing with dry and damaged hair, this one's for you for deep hydration. Try a coconut oil and aloe vera mask. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, providing deep nourishment, while aloe vera adds moisture and shine. Mix equal parts of both, apply it to your hair, and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. Your hair will thank you. And for those struggling with hair fall, rosemary oil can be a game changer. It's known to stimulate hair growth and improve circulation. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil, like olive or jojoba oil, massage it into your scalp and leave it overnight. Consistent use can lead to thicker, healthier hair. Scalp health is key for gorgeous hair. Massaging your scalp with warm olive oil once a week stimulates blood flow and promotes healthy hair growth. Plus, it's super relaxing. Moreover, you can rinse with a mixture of yogurt and egg whites for an extra shine boost. The proteins and vitamins in these natural ingredients strengthen your hair, making it glossy and resilient. Be that girl with hair that turns heads. Remember, becoming that girl means embracing your natural beauty and treating your hair with love and care. Next, let's talk about our nails. Strong, healthy nails are a sign of good self-care and can boost your overall look. If your nails are brittle and break easily, a lemon and olive oil soak can work wonders. Lemon helps to strengthen nails and remove stains, while olive oil provides deep hydration. Mix a tablespoon of olive oil with a few drops of lemon juice and soak your nails for 10 minutes. Do this twice a week for the best results. Moreover, for faster nail growth, try a garlic nail treatment. Garlic is rich in selenium, which promotes nail growth. Simply cut a garlic clove in half and rub it on your nails. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. It's a natural and effective way to get those long, beautiful nails. Being that girl means paying attention to the little details, and your nails are no exception. Now, let's focus on our hands. Our hands are constantly exposed to the elements, and they deserve some extra attention. Soft, well-cared-for hands are a beautiful complement to your overall appearance. For girlies struggling with dry hands, don't you worry, as for dry hands, a shea butter and almond oil treatment is ideal. Shea butter is deeply moisturizing, and almond oil is rich in vitamins that nourish the skin. Mix equal parts of shea butter and almond oil and massage it into your hands before bed. Wear cotton gloves overnight for an intensive treatment. You'll wake up with soft, supple hands. Here, some additional tips to keep your hands looking their best. Sugar and olive oil scrub mix. Equal parts of sugar and olive oil to create a simple scrub. Use this to gently exfoliate your hands, removing dead skin cells and revealing softer skin underneath. Aloe vera and glycerin moisturizer. Combine aloe vera gel with a few drops of glycerin and apply this mixture to your hands. It hydrates and heals dry, cracked skin, making your hands feel smooth and supple. Milk and honey soak. Soak your hands in a bowl of warm milk mixed with a tablespoon of honey. This not only moisturizes but also provides essential nutrients to your skin, keeping your hands soft and healthy. Finally, let's give some love to our feet. Our feet carry us through the day, yet are often the most neglected part of our body. Cracked heels, calluses, and tired feet are common issues. Here's how to pamper your feet with affordable and easily available remedies. Fill a bucket with warm water and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Soak your feet for 15-20 minutes, then, using a foot brush, gently remove your dead skin, as it helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, reduce odor, and soothe tired feet. However, it may disrupt skin natural pH balance and could cause further dryness. So apply plenty of moisturizer after. Then, mix half a cup of sugar with a 1/4 cup of olive oil to create a scrub. Use this to gently exfoliate your feet, focusing on rough areas. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, while olive oil moisturizes and nourishes the skin, making it ideal for all skin types. After exfoliating, apply coconut oil to your feet, and massage it in coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer that penetrates deep into the skin, leaving your feet soft and hydrated. It also has antibacterial properties that help keep your feet healthy. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a bucket. Soak your feet for 10-15 minutes. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance the pH of your skin, fights bacteria, and softens calluses, making it suitable for all skin types. Do this treatment few times a week. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your feet before going to bed. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. It moisturizes and repairs the skin, making your feet feel refreshed and rejuvenated. And there you have it, a complete self-care routine for your hair, nails, feet, and hands. Remember, self-care isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good from the inside out. Embrace these natural remedies, and you'll be well on your way to becoming that girl. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more self-care tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care.